So this is fun. A fifth wheel towing a GS. So it's a truck towing a trailer, which here in California is highly illegal. But it's not fishtailing, so it looks pretty safe. Safe or not, it's still illegal. You can't have a trailer towing a trailer towing a trailer. It's just not done. So nice looking GS, little Harbor Freight home built trailer, and it's looks like some sort of big heavy duty pickup truck towing what looks like at least a 30-foot RV. But yeah, interesting. And they're from Texas. License plates are from Texas. So that tells me they have no idea about California laws. Anyway, kind of fun. And technically, the motorcycle trailer should have a license plate on it as well, which it doesn't. So that breaks the law as well. Anyway, hopefully he won't get stopped and get a ticket.